Ukrainian military officials warned Friday that Russia is looking to replenish its personnel by conscripting Ukrainian men in southern regions amid reports of heavy Russian losses. To replenish their personnel, there have been preparations for so-called mobilization in Kherson and Zaporizhzhia Oblast, Ukraine's Ministry of Defense spokesman Colonel Alexander Matyuzyuk told reporters. Russian troops are blocking local people from leaving occupied territories, in particular, those males of conscript age. It remains unclear how many Russian soldiers have been killed in the last 58 days of fighting, and Moscow has refrained from updating its causality figures in 4 weeks. Ukraine's Ministry of Foreign Affairs claimed Friday that more than 21,000 Russian troops have been killed in the last 8 weeks, though these figures have not been verified. In late March, the Kremlin claimed it had lost 1,350 military personnel since the war began, but a NATO official alleged those figures were likely closer to between 7,000 and 15,000 deaths. Ukraine at the time had claimed there were more than 18,000 Russian losses. The colonel's comments came just hours after a Russian general announced that Moscow's aim was to establish full control of not only the eastern Donbas area, but southern regions that run along the Black Sea. Matyuzyuk said Russia was now looking to annex the regions of Zaporizhzhia, which neighbors Donbas, and Kherson, which sits just north of Russian-occupied Crimea. The Russian occupiers have been using the tactics of terrorizing Ukrainian citizens, he said. There are still killings, torture, persecution of the local governments. Adding that Russia is still blocking evacuation routes and humanitarian aid routes. The enemy is preparing for a so-called referendum for occupied territories in Kherson and Zaporizhzhia to join the Russian Federation, he added. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky warned he would not tolerate the annexation of any part of Ukraine. I want to say straight away, any Kherson People's Republics are not going to fly. If someone wants a new annexation, it can only lead to new powerful sanctions strikes on Russia, he said. You will make your country as poor as Russia hasn't been since the 1917 Civil War. So it is better to seek peace now, Zelensky added. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.